Medawalotio. I am Chief Terrance Paul, Assembly Co-Chair and lead for the Fisheries, Mining, and the Finance portfolios. On behalf of the Assembly of Nova Scotia Mi'kmaq Chiefs, I would like to welcome you to our first ever virtual celebration of Treaty Day. Treaty Day activities may look a little different this year, and although the pandemic may have canceled in-person events, it certainly hasn't canceled the spirit and pride in our communities, homes, and families. I am proud to share this space with you today. We have all been working through and dealing with COVID-19, and together we have been responding to how the world around us has been changing. We have focused on the health, safety, and protection of our Grand Council, our elders, our communities, and our people. That is why we are taking COVID-19 precautions very seriously, and we hope that you are also doing your part to protect one another. With that, I am adapting and exploring new ways to maintain our traditions, such as Treaty Day, much like our people have done for hundreds of years. While we come together today to reflect the spirit and intent of our treaties, we know that these treaties continue to be the foundation of what has been built and for where we hope to be in the future. In 1986, the late Grand Chief Donald Marshall Sr. proclaimed October 1st as Treaty Day, a day to renew the unique and special relationship that we have here in Nova Scotia as treaty partners. Our treaties are important. Only in Mi'kmaq history, not only in Mi'kmaq history, but also of Nova Scotia and Canada's history. As the first peoples of these lands, we have the Aboriginal and treaty rights, and part of these rights includes access to resources like moose, fish, sweetgrass, and birch bark, just as examples. As a nation, we are all very passionate about protecting the rights and the environment around us. While today, we celebrate the fact that we are treaty partners, and we can't ignore that, there is still so much work left to be done. We have community members who want to but are still unable to earn a moderate livelihood from fishing. A treaty right held by the Mi'kmaq, recognized by the Constitution and affirmed by the highest court in Canada. As leaders, we want community members who want to fish for a moderate livelihood to have immediate access to the waters and resources now, and to be able to do so without the fear of being charged or harassed. And while it has been over 20 years since the Marshall decision, and the federal government has neither established regulations for a moderate livelihood fishery, nor they have engaged the Mi'kmaq in formal consultation on development regulations, that will not stop us. I applaud the harvesters who are taken to the waters today under their own communities' nudging fishing plans to assert their rights. I applaud the communities that, with the guiding principles that have been built around respect for all living things, are making strides in self-government and are managing their own livelihood fishery. I thank those community members who have been actively engaged with developing their community's plan and helping us to move forward as a nation. We are strong as a nation, and we know the progress that can be made when we work together. When we reflect on the spirit and the intent of our treaties, we know the sacrifices of our ancestors made to ensure that we keep our traditions and culture alive. We will do our best to honor and respect them. This year, on Treaty Day, we are coming together in a new way to honor and celebrate our award winners, but to also reaffirm our position as rights holders. Before I close, I also want to congratulate all those who are receiving awards and scholarships today. To the elders being recognized this year, we thank you for your role in helping to keep our rich history alive. Your dedication to your community and the Mi'kmaq Nation is appreciated. We are humbled to honor you. To the youth who have received awards today, you are our future leaders. You have demonstrated a strong cultural connection and have continued to give back to your community. You inspire us. Thank you all for celebrating with us, and those on the water today. Please stay safe. Well, all y'all.